If you've been doing squats for weeks and your glutes still look the same, you're not alone. Most people trying to grow their glutes are either doing the wrong exercises or doing the right ones with poor activation. This is your complete, no-fluff formula to go from flat to full without wasting time or overtraining. Step 1. Glute activation. Before your actual workout, you need to wake up your glutes. Think of your glutes like light switches. They need to be turned on before they can fire properly. Start each session with 5 to 10 minutes of focused activation. Glute bridges, clamshells, donkey kicks, or banded lateral walks. Do these slowly and feel the squeeze at the top. When your glutes are activated, every rep you do after will actually target the right muscle. Step 2. Progressive overload. No one builds serious glutes doing the same bodyweight squats over and over. To grow, your glutes need a challenge. This means increasing resistance, volume, or tempo over time. Incorporate exercises like hip thrusts, Bulgarian split squats, step-ups, and Romanian deadlifts. Use resistance bands or dumbbells and aim to improve weekly, whether it's more reps, more weight, or slower, more controlled movement. Step 3. Recovery. Honestly, this is where most people fall off. Your glutes don't actually grow while you're training. They grow when you recover. Training glutes 5 days a week is not just unnecessary, it can totally backfire. Instead, aim for 2 to 3 solid glute sessions each week and really prioritize your sleep, protein, and mobility. That's when the magic happens, trust me. So if your goal is a lifted, fuller, and more sculpted shape, stop just working hard and start working smart. Activate, overload, recover, and then repeat. This is exactly how you go from flat to full. Want to follow along with my glute workout plan? Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of the series.